Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A71, and today I'll show you how to put the device into the recovery mode. So to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel and tap on the power button right next to settings and choose power off. Now once the device shuts off, all you need to do is hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up, hold both of them together at the same time till you see the Samsung logo, at which point you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. In this mode you will use volume keys to navigate, so volume down goes down and volume up goes up. And as you can see, you can reboot the device, reboot the bootloader, apply updates, wipe the entire phone, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run some tests, run local tests, and power off. Now whatever option you select, once it's selected like it is, for instance I'm gonna just reboot the system, so once it's selected, press power key to confirm it, and the device goes immediately to performing the selected option. And you can see that we're back in the Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.